How to backup calendar to Samsung Cloud on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the back here to go back to the home screen or the home button. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, scroll down, and then in here tap on accounts and backup. Next, tap on backup data from the Samsung Cloud section. In here, tap on calendar, make sure the toggle button is turned on, and then tap on backup now. This will allow your phone to backup a number of things, including the calendar. Once the calendar has been backed up, you can then restore at a later point. So here, if you want to restore your calendar, just tap on restore calendar. So you can't restore it yet because it's still backing up. So we're just going to wait for this to finish. I'm just going to stop for now. Tap on the stop button. Okay, so tap on restore data and then choose your device. And in here, I'm just going to select only calendar, then tap on restore, and then tap on done, and that's it. So that is how you can backup calendar to Samsung Cloud. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.